Alright, welcome to my kitchen, where today we are attempting to make a feast that actually looks like it belongs on a food channel. I've laid out all my ingredients like a professional chef, hoping this organization translates into actual cooking skills. Let's see if we can turn these raw veggies and lentils into a masterpiece. First things first, we need to wake up these spices. I'm tossing whole cumin, bay leaves, and dried chilies into a dry wok. Honestly, the smell of roasting spices is basically therapy. If you aren't coughing slightly from the chili fumes, you probably aren't doing it right. Now, let's get some color on these veggies. I'm tossing in the carrots and cauliflower, giving them a nice stir fry. While those are sizzling, I'm slicing up some fresh paneer. Frying these little cheese cubes until they are golden brown is easily the most satisfying part of the process. Next, we are throwing in some cashews and raisins for that sweet and nutty vibe. They get a quick swim in the hot oil until they are perfectly plump. Then, it's time to pour in the secret weapon, a splash of oil and a generous shake of spices. Here comes the main event. I'm scraping in the curry paste and pouring the cooked dal right into the bubbling spice mix. In go the fried veggies, the golden paneer, and those sweet raisins and nuts. A final sprinkle of spices, and we've got a simmering pot of pure joy. But wait, we are not done yet. A feast isn't complete without something deep fried. I'm heating up a generous amount of oil and dropping in these yellow battered fritters. Watching them flip and turn a gorgeous crispy golden brown is making my mouth water. Finally, the moment of truth. I'm plating up the fluffy rice, the rich dal, and those crispy fritters, finishing it off with a squeeze of fresh lime. It actually looks incredible. Now, if you'll excuse me, I am going to dive into this plate and enjoy the fruits of my labor.